Hey guys, if you're into your sashimi and your poke, then you're going to love today's dish. I'm going to make a tuna ceviche with a beetroot leche de tigre. So it's super fresh, super tasty, super vibrant, and most importantly, it's really easy. So let's get into it. So I'm going to come up with two different versions of it. One is going to be with a leche de tigre and the other one isn't. So the leche de tigre is just the liquor that the fish sits into. The concept is raw, but it's actually going to be cooked by the lime juice rather than heat. We're going to start with the tuna. I'm just going to score these pieces off and we're going to throw those into the other one. And then this one we can just make nice slices. And then once we've got those slices, we can just lay them out on a plate. Grab a couple of plates, whatever you're going to serve it on. So that's the tuna for the first one, and literally just going to lay it in the bowl. Then once we've got that in the bowl, we can just place it in the fridge. So for the leche de tigre, we're going to go in with cucumber, ginger, celery, peeled carrot, half a chili with no seeds, and then some beetroot. So just put that through. So just give this a try. It's got a beautiful colour. See how it is? It's got a nice level of spice to it. So if it is too hot, you can just add some coconut water to it, just to thin it down. Don't want it to be too hot. It's not meant to be spicy. It's just meant to have a nice round flavour to it. So that can then go in the fridge. I'm just going to pour it into a bottle because it will be easier to plate afterwards. But you can just do it from this jar. So that can go in there, and then we can just sit that in the fridge until we're ready to use it. So for the rest of it, I've got a grapefruit here. Just gonna top and tail the grapefruit, and we're gonna make this into segments. So you just run the knife around, removing all the pith. So just follow the line that you see here, and that way you know that you're gonna remove all of the pith. So you can sit on the side, and then I've got a blood orange, exactly the same with him. And then for segmenting him, what you want to do is where you see the line is you cut down the side of the line, and then on the inside of the other one you make another incision, and then you get the segment. So once you come to the next one, you go on the other side of the line, so you're pushing this flat back and then cut in to get the segment. And then just work your whole way round until he's all done. And it works exactly the same for any citrus. We just want some cucumber. So some nice batons, that will do. So some nice pieces to garnish. A radish, just grab a mandolin. So super thin pieces of radish. Can drop those off. They can be really fine pieces. You don't want too many of them because it will be overpowering for the fish. So I've just got those. And then avocado. Around the middle, twist. You've got the stone there. Just grab a spoon and then you'll just be able to scoop that one out. And then that is pretty much it. You can grab our tuna out of the fridge. Got a lime cheek. So this is a really important element of the dish. You just need to squeeze over the lime, and then back in the day it would actually be left for a long period of time to really cook the fish. But now like 3-4 minutes is good, and that will give it enough time then to start the cooking process on the tuna. Sprinkle over the bits of onion. Alternate blood orange and grapefruit. Grab some radishes. They can just be flicked up. A few bits of the cucumber. We'll pick a few coriander leaves. And then we grab our chilled Leche de Tigre, and that can go over. Drizzle over the Leche de Tigre. And just to finish it off, a little bit of avocado oil. So just a few drops. And a sprinkle of smoked salt. And that's it. That's my tuna with a beetroot Leche de Tigre. So let's just see how it is. Look at the colour of it. Looks beautiful. Great flavours, really nice and fresh. So very simple. You can put it together in a matter of minutes. That's it. So round two. Okay, so for the second one, we're just going to cut them into cubes. So just run the knife through it. You don't need to be super accurate. And then if there's any sinew, just remove it. You can throw that into a bowl. So you've got nice cubes that can go in, and then straight away we can squeeze on the juice. And then a touch of red onion. You don't need very much at all. Some brunoise of chili. So just remove the seeds. some cucumber. And this one will work really well if you've just got it on a bowl, and you can get some topos and then just put those on the side, you know, like those corn chips. And then I'm going to put some avocado in this one, but if you're going to leave it out for a long time, I wouldn't put this because it will just oxidize. So that can go in. And a little bit of coriander. That can go in. And then I'm just going to throw in my segments. A touch of avocado oil. Grab a radish. Give it a mix. And he can go straight into a bowl. Just grab this plate and then you can just spoon him into a bowl. And that's it. And then if you've got any spare coriander, you can just throw that over the top just to give it another colour. Because what happens when you mix it all together is it kind of all blends in. So it's much nicer if you do it the first way, but obviously it's a little bit more work. So that's it really. A few more chili pieces on top, just to give it a little bit of life. Some cucumber, and that's it. Throw that in the middle of the table and everyone will be happy. So super easy, 10 minutes either one and you'll be done. Everyone will enjoy it and it tastes pretty good for summertime. So fresh and healthy, you gotta love those simple dishes. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the bell, subscribe, do all of that jazz, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.